Looking for meal ideas that pack a punch? Well, how about trying the one meal a day approach for optimal nutrition? Here's a recipe idea that's quick, easy, and delicious. Start with a base of leafy greens, like spinach or kale. Add a protein source, like grilled chicken or tofu. Top it off with a variety of colorful veggies, like bell peppers and cherry tomatoes. Don't forget healthy fats, like avocado or nuts. And for that extra flavor, drizzle on a homemade dressing made with olive oil and lemon juice. One meal, endless possibilities. Fuel your body right with this nutrient-packed dish. Bon appetit!